Here's a pair of the T09 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is put this in a pairing mode. So both of the buds are in a case. Let's open these up and I'll tell you what it says here. It says pairing. It says connecting. Now it's not in pairing mode. You'll know if it's in pairing mode if one of these earbuds is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. But I'm not getting no blue, red on any of these. And the reason is because I'm connected to another device here. I'm connected to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I can do two things. I can either reset these, or I can go to the connections, go to Bluetooth that I'm currently paired to, and you can see it says connected for calls, the T09. So from here, I can turn off Bluetooth up there, or I can click on the info or settings right there, and I can disconnect, or I can unpair. If you're on an iPhone, if you forget this device, if I do any of those three, this will automatically go into pairing mode. Let's just turn off Bluetooth here. And now, one of them is blinking, blue, red. So now it is in pairing mode. Now, shoot over to your Apple computer, top left-hand side, click on that Apple logo, and you want to go down to System Settings. From here, go ahead and select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on over here. And that little spinny thing under here is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, under nearby devices. And it did find the T09s right there. I'm going to click on Connect. Give it 1 second here. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description area.